Adding big screen radio to your BMW MINI. First of all, we will remove the two small bolts at the top L outlet. There are two screws under the small panel, and we will loosen it. Let's pop off the decorative panel and remove the panel below. Loose the two screws inside. Here is a panel, let's remove it. Loosen the screws inside. Here, let's put down the steering wheel a little bit. Then use tools to pry a panel here. Loosen the screws inside again. After finishing it, we will remove the frame panel of the original car. Remember to unplug it. Remove the original double flash button for later use. Here are two screws that also need to be loosened. In this position, there is a panel, and we will take it off. The panel in this position has also been removed. Then loosen the screws inside. There are also two screws here, and we do the same. Then loosen a screw on the screen of the original car. The screws below are also loosened. There is a panel in this position, and we will also take it off. There is also a T-sash screw inside, which is also loose. Then pry the panel with tool. Then loosen the screws inside and remove the screen with the hose. Now let's close the USB line from here. Then plug in the reversing image. Then connect the CD to this red wire to provide power. That's it, there's no need to rewind the lights. Then plug the power plug in. This will provide a complete power supply for the new product. We took out the double flash button of the original car and put it on our new product. Then connect or plug all the wires on the back of the new product. We installed it in the corresponding position. Okay, the installation is complete. Let's test it. It supports reversing radar, support on navigation, support for playing online music, and mixing your favorite sound effects. Support large screen movie playback and enrich entertainment functions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult.